What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're a Ghanaian, come forward because this video is for you. According to my YouTube analytics, I think I have a couple of Ghanaians that watches my finance video, right? Which is why I've decided to make this video. I mean, if I have an information that can benefit you, why not talk about it? Okay. And I mean, I want to make sure you're putting your money in the right places. I want to make sure you're putting your money in where it would make more money for you. I think that is the word. Okay, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can invest in the US stock market as a Ghanaian, and this is not restricted to Ghanaians alone. Even if you are a Togolese living in Ghanaian, as long as you have a valid Ghanaian number, a valid Ghana number, is that how I'm supposed to say it? As long as you have a number, a Ghana number, then you should be able to use this app. You should be able to invest, and I'm sure by the thumbnail, by the title, you already know the app that I am going to be making reference to in this video, right? So basically the app we're going to be focusing on is called Bamboo. As a Nigerian, I've made a couple of videos about this particular app and I absolutely love it. Bamboo has to be one of the most user-friendly applications out there that I have ever tried when it comes to investing. In fact, that was not the first application I ever used for investing, but the minute I found out about it, I was like, bro, this is so good. Okay, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description box, so try as much as possible to download the actual application via that link. That way you can get like a reduced commission whenever you invest above $20. Yeah, so actually the least you can invest on the app is 1,000 naira. So that's for Nigerian. I want to believe as a Ghanaian you should be able to invest in something like that. So all you have to do is download the app. I'm just going to walk you through the process on my phone. All you have to do is download Bamboo on your Play Store or on your Apple Store. I'm also going to leave a video related to this where I filmed a video I filmed talking about how you can set up, create and fund your account as a Nigerian on the Bamboo app. So you can just follow that video and it would be really seamless and easy for you. As you can see, this is the Bamboo home screen. As soon as you download it, this is what you're gonna have. So to sign up, click on start building with, and you can see it's currently available in Nigeria and Ghana. Okay, so just click on Ghana. I believe it's coming to South Africa very soon, which I'm going to be very excited about. Okay, you just want to click on Ghana, enter your first name and your surname, as well as your gender, your date of birth, your citizenship, which is Ghana. And if you're not a citizen of Ghana, you can just choose your own, because you might even be a Nigerian living in Ghana. So here you can put your phone number, and when you do that, you input your email, your password, your referral code. I'm going to leave a referral code in the description box as well. So when you use that, you would get a reduced investing rate or something like that. So yeah, you want to click on I acknowledge that I have read and agree to Bamboo's agreement as well. So when you do that, you're going to be on the Bamboo's home page, which I'm going to log into right now. It's like pretty simple, guys. It's pretty simple. So let me log into my own account. As soon as you log into Bamboo, you're going to see everything pertaining to the Bamboo app, and you really don't need to do any other thing extra. But be mindful that you need to input your BVN. I don't know if there's anything like BVN in Ghana, but you need to enter some sort of registration that proves that you are eligible to invest, and to prove that you are an actual person, you're not a robot, and you are actually a sane person. Okay, because this is as regards to your finance. They want to even be sure that this person that is investing or that is using this app is not a fraudster. Okay, that is why those security measures are in place. So try as much as possible to do all of the verification necessary. Okay, so when you do that, you'll have access to the Bamboo app, and on the Bamboo app you can invest in stocks, in ETFs, in real estate, and you can even use their fixed return options, which I've made an entire video about. Check the card above here, and this applies to both Nigerians and Ghana. Okay, so I want to believe anything that you can use in Nigeria, you can use in Ghana, because it's basically the same app. The only difference is the phone number you're going to be using, as well as the country of citizenship, right? So after that, you have access to all of these stocks. You can invest in individual stocks and ETFs and real estate, and you can also use the fixed returns option. And anyone you choose out of all of these would be dependent on your risk tolerance. I'd advise that you guys start watching most of my Instagram reels that I'm posting, because I don't think it will be easier for me to start putting those videos together and upload it on YouTube, except I want to make a very broad video about them in the future, which I'm not sure of yet. So make sure you follow my Instagram at Adesholami. I'm gonna put it down in the description box as well. That way you can keep up with most of the informative video that I'm going to be sharing as regards to your finance. I've talked about risk tolerance. I've talked about the things you need to do before you invest. I've talked about what you need to do before you invest, how to invest for beginners, how to save money, budgeting, all of those stuff. So make sure you follow my Instagram to catch up with me on those. So that's pretty much everything that you need to do as a Ghanaian. Now if you want to learn how to invest in any of this stock, you basically need to fund your account. Now because I'm still using a Nigerian account, it will be very hard for me to show you how to fund, but all you have to do is go to this account button right here, and you have this page. So click on deposit, and when you click on deposit, you can deposit in your USD wallet, or I want to believe this is going to be your CDs wallet, right? So if you want to deposit in your CDs wallet, they are going to give you the conversion rate. Okay, currently a dollar is, how much is a dollar now? 752 on Bamboo. So 752 naira. So it will vary if your currency is in cedis. I hope you get what I'm saying. So when you're done with that, all you have to do is invest. Click on the stock you want to invest in, and you will be good. If by chance you're a Ghanaian and you watch this video until the very end, and you want me to make a very detailed video about this for you, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to try as much as possible to get through to someone that uses a Ghanaian phone number, create an account, and make an entire video for you. But you need to let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful at all at any point, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Most importantly, try to give this video a thumbs up so that it can reach a wider audience. That way we have more people that are benefiting from this financial literacy. Until my next video, stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you. Bye guys.
Tengo sin verte, en verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en